Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger, stock number 6885. It's ran from the 6th 2015 and 4th 2022. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right front guard less snorkel, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right hand headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,